It's the last night of my sailing on Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady, and today we are at Virgin's Beach Club in Bimini. Today I do try joining the party, and I finally have experienced enough to answer the question, is Virgin Voyages too wild for us 50-year-olds? But also, I'm sharing how much I paid for this 5-day Caribbean cruise. Was it worth it? Let's find out.
Good morning. It is the last port day. We are in Bimini today. So I am now in the galley having breakfast, but just waiting to pull up. It is 7:27. We should be able to get off about 8 a.m. So just having a little breakfast. And nothing spectacular, just bacon scrambled eggs and hash browns. And I'm waiting for some gluten-free toast. Got some water here to get the day started.
As usual, I like to get up and out early on beach club days. I recommend it because you can get your pick of the loungers in the best locations. But also, it's like the quiet before the storm. There's quiet and relaxation before the party gets started.
All right, so I am here at the beach club, and look who's with me. We have Guga! Guga and Rob. Hey guys, be sure to check out their channel, Guga and Rob. Check them out.
Usually I get a spot on the quiet side or by the beach, but this time I decided to switch it up and get a spot by the speakers and the party stage. There was a bit of quiet time before things slowly ramped up.
Brilliant lady. He would actually like to personally take a photo with as many of our beautiful sailors on the Valiant Lady as he can. So if you want to take a group photo, get in the pool and come all the way towards the DJ booth.
Buddy, the next hour, our team has agreed to make 2 of my favorite drinks. So they're out there. So if you're going up to get one of the Brilliant Ladies, Bubble Horizon, if you have either one of those, that's on me. So go and drink.
With pool party floaters and free drinks. And Richard Branson stopped by for a group photo.
Thank you so much for making it incredible. We are going to jump in the pool. We will see you on the ship.
I have to admit, this was a lot of fun. I arrived early and I left early. I headed straight to the dockhouse for my favorite grilled shrimp and cod bites while watching everyone else make their way back before boarding time. And tonight I took it easy and went to the On the Rocks bar and listened to the live band for my final night on board.
Stand by me, stand by me. Yes, we are back home. Virgin is such a good vibe. I got the Zen lights. I got the TV with the music going. I mean, it even puts you in a good mood to leave this ship. What ship puts you in a good mood to leave? But this was such a great time on Virgin. I cannot wait to do it again. After this cruise, I'm going to have to reevaluate my cruise ship rankings because this was a nice time.
Now, let's get into how much I paid, if this cruise line is too much for the 50-year-old crowd, and is it worth it? Well, first, let's get into the money right away. I booked this cruise 3 months before the sailing at $1,462. This was actually for a solo interior that I wanted to do to showcase it for the vlog. However, I got a bit antsy because I actually preferred natural light in the room, so I did put in a bid of $235 to level up to an ocean view cabin. Normally, I would never bid on an upgrade, especially without comparing the original price to my final upgrade price, so that I can be sure that I wasn't paying more for the upgraded cabin that I would have if I had originally booked. But I did, and my final cabin price was $1,697, which comes out to be $339.40 per day. Now, while this is definitely not a bargain price, Virgin is considered to be a premium cruise line, so I would expect to pay more. Also, the daily gratuities, Wi-Fi for 2 devices, and unlimited fitness classes are included in this price. For me, these are all things that I normally purchase and pay for as extras on other cruise lines, and that usually comes out to be roughly $300 on top of my cruise fare. Now, if I were to extrapolate, that would bring my cost down to roughly $279 per day for this premium cruise experience, and I wouldn't need to purchase specialty dining. Now, in addition to my cruise fare, I purchased $208 on board in workshops and activities, which included the foodie workshop, coffee, tequila, and a mix-it-up workshop that I skipped, plus the grog walk bar crawl. I also purchased $200 in bar tab and had $100 in free sailor loot. So my final total price for this 5-day cruise was $2,105. For the over 50 experience, yes, Virgin can be very energetic with happenings cast, club scenes, dance parties, and high energy pool party and daily events. However, Virgin also has a laid back and mellow side, with bands playing warm, soft music at bars, and for Scarlet Night, quiet spaces to chill out and read, and calm environments like the Dockhouse for food bites and drinks. They have a great wellness aspect with fitness classes throughout the day, from stretching to HIIT classes and cycle classes, and they're all included. I didn't get a chance to do these or the spa that's also available. Not to mention that the entire cruise line is all adult and kid-free. If you're over 50 and think Virgin is all about the wild parties and that it's not for us, I would say to think again and to give it a try. You can completely avoid the parties. I've yet to go to that dance party show or the highly energetic daily events, and I had a great time. Also, as a travel agent, I learned that the 50 and over demographic is the second highest cruising group for Virgin. So yes, I think it's for us. Now, was it worth it? Whether a cruise line is worth the money you paid is going to be a personal opinion. For me, I felt completely satisfied and felt my experience was worth every penny.
Ready to set sail? Contact me to plan and book your next cruise experience, or join me on one of my group cruises or sailings.